This geometry dash animation required over 300 still shots, each of which was created from 100 Rubik's Cubes. And this is how I did it. So this will be a behind the scenes look of how the Geometry Dash Rubik's Cube mosaic animation was created. So here we have the Gone mosaic set, and this is 100 Rubik's Cubes. They're little like this. And so we have a total pixel size of 30 by 30. And I'm right in the middle of the animation creation process, which requires photos frame by frame. So right now I'm going to show how I go to the next frame. Okay, so first what I have to do here is I'm ready to change this 47 number to 48%. It's 3 pictures per frame. So I'm going to take these out, and create an 8 on it. Now, you don't have to fully solve these Rubik's Cubes, which saves on a lot of time. You only have to arrange the top layer, right? So here we have a top of the 8, and this is going to be the bottom of the 8. Okay, so we changed that to 48%. Okay, the bar we don't have to change now. I changed this at every 7 or 8%. And so next what we have to do is create this platform with the spikes moving this way. And also then we're gonna need, the cube is gonna start jumping over this spike, so we're gonna raise the cube up as a second step. So this actually doesn't change because the platform is gonna move that way. So what I do have to change is this bar right here. So I remove these cubes, and this is gonna have to get to be all blue. Here, that's all blue, and that's gonna go in there. And this is gonna have to look like that. So sometimes I can take advantage of that fact that different cubes already look like how I wanted them to look, and then make this look all blue, so it's a little quicker that way. Okay, so the spike is here. Now I have to move this one over. All right, so this is just gonna be all blue like this. Okay, and now I'm gonna have to get in there. Okay, so this is gonna be red and red over here. Okay, that goes here, and this is gonna have to be just diagonal across. So this one will be blue, this will be blue. Okay, so this one is good. All right, over here. So this part is set, and now I'm gonna need to move the cube up. Okay, so I'm gonna take these out. Now these are gonna have some orange in it. Okay, so this is gonna be the top of the cube, and I have to move everything over. So this is gonna be an orange pixel like that, and nope, that's gonna be that one. This is gonna be green all throughout. top row, right here, 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 and now for the eyes, right, I'm gonna need to pick the center, that's orange. And we're gonna have a blue line in here. Oh, that's right there. Okay, and now here, the other eye is gonna be shifted. So what you mostly have to think about when you're doing these is which colored pixel is gonna be in the center of each individual cube. Okay, so this is set. So this will go here, this will go here, and this will go, nope. This will go here. This actually needs another blue layer here. Okay, now it's good. Now it's good. This is good. This is good. This is good. And now I'm ready to take the photo for the next frame. And then I repeat this again and again and again and again. This is how my phone picture gallery looked like after I completed this project. 3 frames for each percent. And zooming in on every one of them, you see there is a picture of the 100 Rubik's Cube mosaic set. And now I'm going to zoom out and show you all of them, a bit over 300 total still shots, plus a couple of videos. And now you can watch the full reel.